Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So, I will start from the beginning. If you have subscribed our indicator already, you could watch any of our video available in the YouTube because in every video we have been explaining our strategy in the beginning part of the video. Okay, and we are showing you one live trade also. So we are using the bar replay to show you the live trade. So it is not that it will be repainting. The indicator what we are giving you will not repaint. What is the repainting meaning? Because it will show you buy. Immediately if there is some full force comes, then automatically it will be changed to sell. So there will be no symptoms of showing the buy entry. It will show only the sell entry. So that we call it as repainting. So that kind of repainting will not be there in our indicator. If buy is there, it will be there forever. See here, you can see in the previous days also, once the buy is there, the same thing will be continued. Okay, now I come to Bank Nifty. So I have added the MSCI 2.0 on my chart list. Now I'm assuming that if market has opened here, it has to come either first here to the downside, or it has to go to upside. If it is coming down here, I will buy at 34,955 and I will be waiting for the target. The maximum target is this one. This one is the if you want more reward, then you can keep directly the sell entry as the stop loss. Otherwise, you go here and enable the first buy targets. So here the first buy targets will be coming. So this will be your first target. Suppose if buy entry got activated and instead of giving the target, if SL hit, what you have to do, we have to take double entry here at 34,798 and we have to wait for the target of the second sell entry. See here, I'm enabling the second sell entry targets. So now you can see here the second sell entry. So now, since I'm assuming, right, I'm assuming if SL hit, then our target will be 34,641. This will be our target. Clear? It's very simple. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. If buy side target hit, you are trading over for the day and you have to book the profit and you have to exit from the market. Suppose if SL hit, then you have to take the reverse entry in the second sell entry for the target of first target. Similarly, suppose if first sell activated, target hit, no more trade for the day. Suppose if SL hit in the first sell, then you have to go for the second buy and book at the first target with a double lot. This is the strategy. Very simple strategy. This you have to follow every day without fail. So now I show you what happened in the morning. I am enabling the bar replay. I am slowing down the speed. I am keeping the bar replay here. Also, I am enabling the candlestick pattern. Okay, now I don't know, right? I don't know where the market will open, what will happen, nothing I don't know. So I'm replaying the bar. So this is the yesterday's chart, buy activated, target hit and sell activated, target also hit in yesterday. Now market has just opened. Market has just opened and immediately in the first candle, after closing of first candle itself, we got the SL hit, first buy SL hit. Now what we have to do, we should be ready with the double order, double entry at the second sell. There is some internet problem. Yeah, now it is back. Again, I'm replaying. So it is getting loaded. So now what happened, since SL hit of the first buy, we have to enable the second sell targets. And immediately second sell targets also hit. See here, it got hit and immediately it has given the retracement up to our second sell entry, then our target hit. That's all. This is very simple strategy. We are going for the first buy. If SL hit, then we are going for the second sell. We are booking at the first target and we are coming out. Similarly, if first sell activated, then we will be waiting for the first sell target. If SL hit, then we'll going for the second buy targets. Okay. Now we have given some excuses. I mean some tips how to avoid such a trade. So though we are blindly, if we are following the strategy, if we are following the indicator, we will be in the profit, right? But these kind of trades can be avoided. How to avoid these trades? Whenever the first 15 minutes candle is a very big bearish candle, red candle, that day you have to avoid the first buy entry. Similarly, whenever the first green candle, first 15 minutes candle is a green candle, very bullish candle, that day you can avoid the first sell entry. And moreover, whenever the candle is whenever the 15 minutes candle, or any time frame, any candle of the 15 minutes time frame, it's breaking like this, our first buy entry, and closing below that line, then we can avoid the first buy entry. So these techniques and few more techniques are there how to avoid the losses, that we will teach you once you subscribe to our indicator. So now the next thing is the return. So since market has given here target also hit, our trading got over. But so see here, the bullish power is reduced here. Bullish power is reduced here. So now what we can do? We can go here and change the time frame to weekly. Okay. After hitting the first target, I'm telling, right? Then change the calculation to MST, other calculation. It is loading. Still loading. Some internet problem, and enable DBP. It will show you the center point. Okay. Now here, these three settings you have to do for finding out the reversal, right? So now exactly it has taken the support from our DCP. Now you enable the first buy targets, and see two targets have been achieved exactly. So how to do these settings, when to enter, when not to enter, we will teach you in our separate course. No, whoever has subscribed to our indicator, we will teach them and we will guide them lifetime. Lifetime support will be given for free of cost. So this is extra settings only, right? Otherwise, what you can do, simply you trade with the default settings. That's all. So first buy sell hit and target hit. Your target second sell is target hit. You are trading over for the day. That's all. No more confusion, right? Same thing is applicable for all the script. Same thing is applicable for all the script. You just practice this one indicator, and this will be changing your life. This will be changing your life. Okay, thank you all for watching our videos, and we will be posting more videos on the paid strategy for free and option strategy also for free. So stay back and stay connected with our YouTube channel, and refer all your friends to subscribe and join our channel, so that their losses will be recovered and they can get some profits. All of you, please read the disclaimer before watching the video. We are not SEBI registered, and we are giving this only for the educational purpose. Thank you all. Have a profitable day.